Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is the range of tolerance. Once we have studied about all the environmental factors, something that can be concluded from all the environmental factors is a concept of range of tolerance. Now we had discussed that these environmental factors like atmosphere, temperature, light all have an impact on organisms. And this impact is what affects the abundance of these particular organisms. So every particular individual organism has a range of tolerance to a specific environmental factor. And this is what gives us this particular graph. Now the first zone in the range of tolerance is the optimal zone. Now it is in this particular zone, this is the optimal tolerance zone, that the conditions of that environmental factor are the most suitable for one particular organism. Here you should know that these range of tolerance is what is going to be different for different organism. So for one particular organism, say in this case it's a bird, for this particular bird, one particular environmental factor, for instance if we are taking temperature, is what is going to be in one particular zone where maximum number of these bird species are what are going to be found. Another zone is the zone of physiological stress. Now in this particular zone, which is also known as the stress zone, the factor is in such a limit that the concentration of the organisms or the abundance of the organism is what is getting reduced. As you can see that the organism is present but in a reduced number. So this is what is the zone of physiological stress. This is the stress zone also. Now it is shown on both sides here because this temperature has a limit. It can be positive as well as negative. For instance, this could be the zone where the temperature is too cold and this could be a zone where the temperature is too high. So this is why it is shown on both the sides of this particular bell curve. Next is the zone of intolerance. It is the zone for the endurance limit. In this particular zone, the environmental factor is such that no organisms are able to survive in this particular zone. So this is what is the zone of intolerance. Next is the stress zone and next is the optimum tolerance zone. These are the three zones of tolerance, and this is what collectively comprises the range of tolerance. So that's all about the range of tolerance, and that's all about our discussion today. I thank you all for watching the video.